foods, finding grocery store deals is already done for you.
Here's our smart shopper, Daphne Monroe, singling out the best savings.
Save on this deal. You can get a little tropical for a great price because Sprouts has pineapples on sale for just 99 cents a piece.
Score a great deal on chicken drumsticks or bone-in thighs this week. Food City has them on sale for 68 cents per pound, and you can buy 2 packs for that price. If you buy in bulk, you can save a lot at Fry's this week. For example, if you buy a case of 48 Campbell's cream of mushroom or chicken soup, you can get each of those cans for just 83 cents each. Or if you buy them individually, you'll pay just $1. So make sure to check out that section of their ads because there are many deals to be found. Save on a gallon of milk at Bash's'. You can buy 2 gallons for $1.67 for each gallon. Save on Breyer's ice cream at Albertsons this week. You can buy 1 container for $5.99 and get another container of Breyer's ice cream plus a Sara Lee pie for free. Albertsons hits this deal out of the ballpark. If you buy 15 Powerade bottles, you will get each of them for just 48 cents each. But make sure to clip the coupon in their ad in order to score that deal.
I'll have more Valley grocery store deals posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.